Hello students, this is Shantam sir. On the previous class, we just discussed about circle. So in this class, we have to complete the chapter circle. So today we have to start from concentric circle. So at first we have to know what is concentric circle. What is concentric circle? Think that there are two circles. Here is one circle and here is another one circle. Two circles having the same center. Think that this is the center. So two circles having the same center but different radius. Think that this radius is R1 and this radius is R2. Then they are called concentric circle. Understood everyone? So what is a concentric circle? Two circles having the same center but different radius, R1 and R2, are called concentric circle. Now we have to know diameter form of the equation of a circle. Let x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 be the two endpoints of the diameter of any circle. Two endpoints. Here is thing that A and here is thing that B. So this is A and this is B. Now the equation of the circle drawn on the diameter will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is our formula. Understood everyone? Now try to solve a question. Example number 1. Find the equation of the circle if the end point of whose diameter are the centers of the circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 14y minus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 10y minus 2 is equal to 0. So given circles are one is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 14y minus 1 equal to 0 and another one is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 10y minus 2 is equal to 0. So at first we have to compare. So on comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, at first try to compare this with this. Then we will get center equal to from here minus 3 and 7. And this with this we again get a center 2 comma minus 5. So the points minus 3 comma 7 and 2 comma minus 5 are end points of the diameter. So what is the form of the equation of circle? And we know the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Just put this value. This is the x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. So x minus here and again minus here. So it will be plus. So x plus 3. Here x minus 2 plus y minus y1, that's mean y minus 7 into y minus y2. So again y and here in minus, here is minus, so it will be y plus 5. That's mean x into x, that's mean x square plus 3x minus 2x, that's mean only x, and y into y, that's mean y square and minus 7y plus 5y, that's mean minus 2y, and here is minus 6 and here is minus 35, that's mean minus 41 equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now we have to know position of a point with respect to circle. Think that S is equal to the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, or another equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square minus r square equal to 0 be the equation of the circle. And think that x1 and y1 be any point on the plane of the circle. Then just put this point in this equation, anyone. So just put this point in this equation. We will get s is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, or x minus x1 minus h whole square plus y1 minus k whole square minus r square. If we get this value, now if you think that this is s1, so if s1 greater than 0, then the point lies outside the circle. If s1 greater than 0, then the point lies outside the circle. If s1 less than 0, then the point lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. But if s1 equal to 0, then the point lies on the circle. On the circle. Understood everyone? Now try to solve a problem. Now try to solve this problem. Does the point minus 2.5 and 3.5 lie in the circle, outside the circle, or on the circle of x square plus y square equal to 25? So therefore the given circle equation is x1 equal to x square plus y square minus 25. Okay. Now put x equal to 2.5 minus 2.5 and y is equal to 3.5 in this equation. So we will get s1 equal to minus 2.5 whole square plus 3.5 whole square minus 25. So minus 2.5 whole square, that's mean it will be 6.25 plus 12.25 and here minus 25. Now 6 plus 12, that's mean 18.25 and minus 25, that's mean it will be minus 6.5 and it's minus, so it will be less than 0. So s1 less than 0. Now tell me what is the condition? If s1 less than 0, so the given point lies inside the circle. Understood everyone? Now try to solve all the problem from circle. Okay? Bye everyone.